Hi guys, so thanks for stopping by. Today I wanted to get real and share with you a failed project. As you can see from the title, this is about a junk journal fail. And I guess in some people's eyes it wouldn't be a fail at all, but it's something that I consider for myself a fail because it turns out it's just not me. I was trying something, I was experimenting, which is awesome, which I really love to do. But I realized it's not for me and I'm not loving it, so I'm not doing anything in it. And yeah, I thought it's time I share something I'm not happy with, because I think all have our fails, because we're all learning and experimenting. And yeah, it's good to not always just show the great things, but also the fails, because why not? It's part of the journey, right? So basically this is a traveler's notebook size, standard size insert. I have just used one of the insert covers and decorated it with some papers from a magazine, and I am not sure, I think this might have been Daphne's diary, but I really am not sure now. So yeah, so this is the outside. I was planning on putting some stuff on here, but yeah, never got to it. So if we look inside, and I haven't bound it yet either, it's all still very loose. So what inspired me to do this was I wanted to switch it up from my vintage journals, and I was binge watching a wonderful artist, and her channel is called LittleRavenInk. Yeah, ink, singular, LittleRavenInk. And she does these amazing junk journals and altered journals and everything. And she gets real messy and everything is very colorful and it looks awesome. Like, I really love her stuff, and I will definitely link her channel below. So I got all hyped and thought, well, I'm gonna try the same and it's gonna be awesome. And you know, it's summer, you want bright colors and everything. Yeah, well, it didn't happen. I mean, it happened, I made it obviously, but I'm not liking it. So I will just give you a very quick flip through. So this page I love, okay? It's the first page, and this is actually a tutorial that she has on her channel with these wonderful flowers. I forget what they're called, but something with flowers. So you will easily find this video of hers. So that was a lot of fun to do, and you'll see I have 2 more in the book. So this page I really love. Then just journaled with a Sigma white Uniball pen, and then this was just from the magazine. So most of the things in here from the were leftovers from the magazine Daphne's Diary, and I say leftovers because I made 2 other journals with Daphne's Diary pages, and I will show those in another video. But so these were basically the leftovers. I wanted to do something with them. So this page I love. It's from the magazine. This is a cute business card from a package I got from Cute Things from Japan. These were the stamps from the package. Love those. And then I decided just to add some photos, and I thought I would journal about them. And yeah, I don't know, I just stuck some things on, started painting a little bit, stamping. Yeah, so yep, stuck this on this postcard. This page I really like. This head is from a journal I did with a tutorial from Jenny Belly, like years ago, I think 4 years ago or so. And I do like this head, so I decided to cut the head out and to use it again. And then I just basically cut out this dress also from magazines, and just stamped recycled art here. So this I really love. I just put this on this envelope. This is also from Cute Things in Japan. This is one of the collage styles from LittleRavenInk that she does. This is just a collage I did. This is a wonderful card I got from a colleague. Another photo and some journaling, and this was also on Cute Things of Japan on the package. Some more photos. This is a little booklet. I don't remember where I got this from, but another one of those flowers with that tutorial. Some more photos. I believe this might have also been like a card in Daphne's diary. I just doodled around yeah, around it basically. Love this image. Yeah, I don't know. So they had all these lovely papers with designs like these. I love. This is too much. This is an envelope I just collaged on basically. These little guys, don't remember their name, something with monsters I think, also from LittleRavenInk, so really check those out. I think they're really fun. She shows you how to do these in a few ways. It's very cute. This one is also a head of a girl I drew when I was starting to learn how to draw faces, and I just stuck her onto a photo in a magazine, and I don't remember what she had in her hand, maybe nothing, I don't remember, but anyway, I just stuck this teddy bear in her hand and colored in the background so I could journal there. Another business card of Cute Things of Japan. Can you guess that I order from there frequently? Yeah, just trying to make some space for journaling. This is just a little note card I got from my wonderful friend and colleague. More photos. Another one of those flowers. This time I was trying to copy this one that was in the magazine, and I love actually how this page turned out. More things from the magazine. This is from a different magazine. Collage, back side of that lovely card from my colleague. Beautiful image. Just collaged another business card from Cute Things in Japan. And then this is just some hand letter practice that I stuck on there. This picture I loved was from a magazine because I really want an old typewriter. Just random paper with some doodling. Yep, random number practicing. And that's a postcard I stuck on the back. So this is it, and it is kind of fun in a way, yes, but it's just, for me, when I look at it, it's like way overload. So it's too much, it's too colorful, it's just, maybe I'm overwhelmed, I don't know, there's just too much going on. So I think what I'm gonna do with this, rather than just chucking it, I think I'm going to take out a few bits that I really like and that are not as crazy, like this one for sure, and try to make another junk journal which is a lot more toned down and usable for me. So I will let you know, or I will show you once I have that done. We'll see how that turns out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.